Morning, kids. This is Mr. Posey. I'm sorry I can't be there today. So today I'm going to send you to your fourth grade remote learning website. This is the website that you can go to if I'm ever gone or if you're ever gone. So once you go there, you're going to see that we have some assignments for you. You're going to have a video here that you can watch. This video will explain the directions to you today. We're going to start off with the main one right here, and this is going to take about a half an hour. There are two assignments. You're going to log into your Gmail and you're going to prove that you have done that, and you're going to turn that assignment into your Google Classroom. You are also going to save 2 or 3 pictures to your Google Drive, and then you're going to prove that those pictures are saved there by turning those pictures in. When you have turned those 2 assignments in and added the proof that you have done it, then you have some time to go in and take 10 minutes to do Typing Club. If you still have time after that, you can read, delete, and send your email. You can also go over to code for a little bit extra, and we will go from there. So when you click on here, it will take you to your Google Classroom. I am taking you straight to McKenna's, but you're going to see your classroom. The assignments are still there. If you go to classwork, there should be 2 assignments that you're going to see. One of them is log into your email, and the other is to take a picture. So when you click on log into your email, this video right here that you're going to watch on your own will show you how to log into your email. If you click it, it will load up. It will then get ready to play, and it will teach you how to take a screenshot and how to turn your work in to Google Classroom. So I will open up this. I will go down here to view the assignment. When I go to view the assignment, again, the video is right there. If you have any comments for me or any questions or anything that you don't understand, all you have to do is leave a comment right here and hit send. Please don't hit a comment that just says hi. Please leave this private comments for questions about the assignments. Don't tell me that you got done with the assignment. I will see it when you finish your assignment. So just if you have a question and you need help, this is where you would add it. And so the assignment of logging into your email will have you add or create. You are actually going to add a picture from your Google Drive. And once you add that picture, you will mark done. Do not just mark the assignment as done. Some kids go here and it says here, you didn't attach your work. Well, if you didn't attach your work, then I can't grade it. So please don't mark it as done. You actually need to attach some work. So watch the video, learn how to attach the work, learn how to prove that you've logged into your email, and then you can mark that it's done. When you're done, you go back to Mrs. McKenna's. You'll go back to classwork. You will then be done with your login to Gmail. You will then come down here to save a picture. You're going to notice the directions are right there. You're going to notice that you have a video there. If you come down here to view the assignment, you are going to watch the video. When you get done with the video, you notice here, I've already done the assignment. I attached a picture that I saved and I renamed. And so you are going to attach a picture that you saved to your Google Drive with Save to Google Drive. This video right here will show you how. Once you have it, you can then hit the button that says Turn In. When you turn it in, it's going to say, are you sure you want to turn in the car? Well, in this case, yes. And you will then turn it in. Once it goes through and turns in, you can go back to your class. You can go back here and you will notice now that since this one is grayed out, that one is turned in. So now I just need to go in and do that. Again, once you've done those 2 assignments, there are videos there explaining them. You will come back here. You can go to Typing Club. You can go to Coding. You can send and receive your email. Any questions? Send me an email. Let me know. Have a great night.